Hi, I'm Lily from Landtech, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on land assemblies. Although complicated, they can be high reward. A land assembly involves grouping together two or more parcels of land to make one new site. They can be adjacent or non-adjacent. This turns otherwise unattractive sites into plots with potential. They can be back garden plots, or if you're after a bigger development, brownfield or greenfield sites. Land assemblies can be hard to spot and time-consuming to unlock, but this can be a benefit, as there's usually less competition. And the land tends to be off market, so there's a chance no one else has spotted it. This often drives the price and your margins down. And they're a great play in urban areas, where it can be hard to find completely unused sites. But with a land assembly, you just need an underused patch. You may have spotted an opportunity in your area. You can use satellite maps or site sourcing software like Land Insight to find sites. This could be an old pub, an empty office, a rundown warehouse, or a house with a big back garden. Many local authorities in England are behind on their housing targets, which you can see in our heat map. It might be easier to get planning in the areas falling short. Evaluate suitability by looking into local policies. You don't want to build in a flood zone or a protected area, for instance. Consider the planning applications around the site to see what the authorities are approving nearby. Assess local sales values to work out what to offer. You can access all of this info in Land Insight. Remember, multiple owners means multiple deals to strike. Personalise your communication for a better shot at persuading them to sell. When managing the process, you need to consider various stakeholders. Keep your sellers sweet and be wary of difficult neighbours who might take issue with your proposal. To avoid problems, make sure your design fits with the local architecture. Consider the use class and plan your site with suitable access. But once you've got approval, you can get on with the build. If you want to use Land Insight for a land assembly project, get in touch. Thanks.